Hello, Tiger Rose is here. So,
well, I'm here. I need to go to Chinos for my interview. I don't know which floor was that, but yeah, we'll try to check it out. Yeah. Christmas na dito sa Calcis yun. Nakakamiss ang Pasko sa Pinas, oh. I'm coming. Kunting pasilip lang because I'm going to interview first and then later on I can give that one. Okay, here I am. Here we go. I'm here in Chinos. Yeah. I'm here in Chinos interview, and I wish the place. Okay, now I'm start doing my bolognese. Ingredients: you have to prepare the garlic, the onion, see the side.
Are you filming that, eh?
Yes, I'm go filming, and then carrots, celery. See ya. Some this one is optional, so yeah. See the side, pepper and salt. If you don't have a stock like chicken stock in the carton, so you can make your own stock. Then then paste, then the sauce, of course. So you have to prepare everything. So ready for, and this is the dried wine, tomato, cabo milk, meat, and the pasta. So yeah, first, and then of course the olive oil. So yan. So let's start cooking. Sorry guys. So yan. So yun, kailangan siya, hindi na siya pink. I-cook mo muna siya ng about 8 minutes, okay? 8 minutes. And then after that, you can put the dry wine or yeah, white wine, cooking wine. So I use cooking wine this, and then the paste. Where's my paste? This one, 2 tablespoons of paste. So it's about 8 minutes. So like the meat is not pink anymore. So you can put the paste. 2 tablespoons of paste. Mix together with wine. Have to mix together until the wine will goes away the acid. So yeah. So it's there with 1 can of tomato, chopped tomato, chopped tomato. And then with the chicken stock. Chicken stock is around 2 cups. Add more chicken stock. Guys, if you don't have a chicken stock at home, or you can use
Okay guys, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Bye for now.